it's Danielle with Peep's Bonnets. Today I want to show you how to do a jogless knitting technique to get your stripes knit in the round looking absolutely beautiful. Now for the purpose of this video, I knit the first two stripes of brown without any technique at all. So if you didn't use any technique, you just switched colors, you would get this jogged effect. And that's because when we knit in the round, we're actually knitting in a spiral. And so the lines don't actually meet up. You can see that there. Now on these second two brown stripes, I did use the jogless knitting technique that I'm going to teach you now. All right, let's get started. Okay, so the first step is you just want to take your new color and you want to knit an entire round with it. Now once we come to the second round, that's where the magic happens. Okay guys, we've come to knitting one round with brown and we're ready to do the first part of our special jogless trick. So go ahead and move your stitch marker over to the right needle, and what you're going to do here is slip this first stitch purlwise. So what that means is take your right hand needle, slip this stitch from the left needle off towards the front. Slip this stitch purlwise. That's how you're going to see that written. Now it's a little bit loose, and that's only because this is a brand new color that we added. So we'll just tug on that tension till it's just right, and then we're ready to knit another round. So we'll go ahead and knit, and we'll continue to knit with this color until we're ready to switch back to blue. And then I will show you part two of the trick. So for me in my pattern, it says I want to knit 3 rounds with brown. So I need to do this round, which is round 2, and then one more round, round 3, and then I'll show you the final part of this technique. Okay guys, so I've come to the end of my third round with the brown yarn, and I've placed my stitch marker back onto my right hand needle. But now to finish this jogless knitting technique, what I want to do is remove the stitch marker and knit one more stitch with the brown color. I'm going to place my stitch marker back on, and now I'm ready to pick up my blue color and start that process all over again. And you want to do this jogless knitting technique each time that you switch colors. You want to knit around. On the second round, you want to slip the first stitch purlwise, and then once it's time to change back to a new color, you want to go ahead, remove the stitch marker, knit one more stitch with the color you had been using, and you're ready to go. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, please give it a like and subscribe to my channel for lots more knitting tutorials and fun DIY projects. Thanks, and I hope you have a great day.